Okay, so what's up my lovelies? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. In today's video, we are going to be creating this beautiful look, a look that you can achieve with all white. It's very soft, it's giving me very snowflake, poodle, you know, Snow White type of vibe. I'm really loving this whole look. I did my baby hairs, as you guys can see. I killed the baby hairs. I keep practicing, but we don't get there. But yeah, so you guys, I hope you guys like what you see, and if you like what you see, then keep on watching. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go in the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. You guys already know my favorite in Espresso. And I'm also gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. It has like your contour shades, your cream concealers and things like that, which I really love. And it's budget friendly. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Cream Contour. This color right here. And it has a mirror, so which is very convenient. Ooh, that is looking white. So I want, oh. I'm gonna be grabbing the dark shade, okay? I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in Honey. You guys know that this one is definitely my favorite and my go-to. I cannot stop using this, so. Go in with this Hard Candy palette, and it's the Look Pro eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks right here. It has all these beautiful colors. Go in with this color right here, this champagne color right here. I'm gonna use that for my brow bone. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Not a Basic Peach. The vibes, the vibes. Ah, I love it so much. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab this orange peachy shade for my outer crease area, with this one as well for my transition. Brown transition shade. Deepen out the look just a little bit and just give you that oomph. Going in with this blue right here. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So that's how that one looks. And then we have another blue from this palette. Swatch like this. And that's how this one looks. I can probably use the both of them because I like how the both of them do look. With the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm gonna apply my eyelashes off camera, so I'll be right back. I'm really trying to make sure that they're on properly. But yeah, that's how I look with the lashes on. I'm just gonna prime my face with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. And then you guys already know I'm gonna go with my Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel Sunscreen, and it has SPF 50 in it. And because it's summertime, you need to wear sunscreen, okay? If you're not, do your whole makeup routine with sunscreen, you're joking. So I'm gonna apply my primer first and then use the sunscreen on top. Oh, I just love how this sunscreen makes you feel. I just feel so nourished and refreshed and so replenished. Like, look at my skin, you guys. Like, holy. And the thing about skin, to have a healthy face, healthy skin, you need to be drinking water and your vitamins, you guys. I kid you not, that will change your skincare and everything better and make your face look so much better. And then also make your makeup look even more flawless. We are going to be trying a new drugstore foundation. I'm going to be trying the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Complete Foundation. It says up to 24 hours. And I got in the color 370 Deep Bronze. Let me cross my fingers and hope that this is my shade. But this is how it looks. I don't know, not really, but we're going to try another drugstore foundation. So you guys, let's pray this matches my skin. Okay, I'm gonna shake it up because you guys know how drugstore foundations get all watery and stuff, especially when it just sits there. Let me pump. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I think I got my shade, you guys. Oh my god, I think I got my shade. It might just be a little dark for me, just a little bit, but it will do. Especially when I start applying like the concealers and stuff like that, it will do. Another drugstore foundation that I could love and I could apply on for a non-serious event. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the number 146. Instantly erases dark circles, fine line, puffiness. It does have this sponge applicator, so I guess you have to twist it for it to come out. Ooh, I see it coming up the sponge. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. Okay. Alright. So with the sponge applicator, it makes it fun. Sponge just makes it more easier for you. I have to react fast because look at that. It's already ready to dry out. But this is a full coverage concealer. I'm not getting no cracks under there. No, the cracks underneath your under eye. Yeah, I'm gonna top it off with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer in the number 165 Deep Tan. I just want to brighten under eye. You guys already know this. I'm gonna let that sit and dry for a bit right there. Something told me, girl, you gotta do a drugstore. I'm like, man, I gotta just take some risk. Even though I want to save some money, I gotta come out here and show you guys some tutorials and some reviews and things like that. But I'm just like, no. I'm just so shocked that I've been sitting on this concealer. You guys already know my favorite, my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany. And this is another one of my new brushes. It's from SEPHORA and it's the Pro Contour Sweep in the number 97. You guys see my under eye? There is no breaking. That just looks so friggin' snatched. So snatched, so pretty. This year has been so crazy. Everyone is just noticing just to like protect their energy and their space. Like, oh, quarantine. You have done a lot this year. A lot of lessons learned. Guys, a lot of lessons learned this year, this quarantine. Okay. I'm here waist training the body. And I feel like I'm trying to talk to you guys too at the same time. And then I'm like breathing so heavy. Whew. It's a lot of work. I love my eyes being this bright and smooth. It looks really nice and warm. So I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the number 30 in medium and dark. It's real nice for a freaking drugstore powder, which is crazy. I'm wearing white in. See, I already see some movements going on my shirt. So we're gonna have to cover this up. You feel me? So I'm definitely just gonna go in with my CoverGirl Queen Ebony bronzer. So I think that's looking real pretty. What do you guys think? Yeah, so far so good. So far so good. So far so good. So far I'm joking. You're like, yo, this girl's crazy. But you know, when you figure this up, I do not have any drugstore powder, unfortunately. So I'm definitely gonna go in with my SEPHORA powder in Deep. This looks really good like this, but I still want to chisel out my cheeks. You guys already know the routine. We are almost done. It's lip time. It's lip time. So I'm gonna see. This is an eyeliner, but it's such a nice brown. I still want to try it out. And this is from Wet n Wild, and this is the Simmer Brown in the number C603A. 603A. It's the KOHL liner. Now that, you guys, is pretty. This looks so freaking pretty. What do you guys think? Like, it just gave me this matte vibe, right? That matte vibe, but it looks good. It looks good. So now we're gonna go in with this LA Girl matte lipstick. Well, the LA Girl matte flat velvet lipstick. Let me just correct myself. And this is how it looks. Cute packaging. You guys already know I love things with a kiss lip and things like that. They have, you guys can't see it, but the packaging is really, really cute. You guys know I love my lips. I love my lips. And they had that the side of where it says matte. And this is in Ooh La La. So that's real fun. Now let me just try to open this up. And if this works really well, I will get more colors. Ooh. Wait, did I say ooh after this is called Ooh La La? Yeah, I did. Oh my god, this is like a beautiful nude. Oh my god. This is gonna look so pretty on my lips. Okay, hold on. Skirt. Let's see. Wow. It's a cream lipstick. Wow. I always wanted like a color like this, literally. Cause I barely have any nudes. So now I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Glaze Super Intense Color Lip Paint. Now this is how it looks. I thought it would be really pretty because it has a nude packaging. So when I seen it at Walmart, I seen that like all these glazed lip paints had like colors on it. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's the color of how the consistency will look or how it will look. So I'm like, okay, nude. Let me just try this lip gloss out. Okay, it's like bubbling. Ooh. You guys see that? Ooh. She knows matching. Oh my god. Oh my god. Paint that in. And now it's time for us to soak up the face to give it, you know, an uplift. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Scent Spray because you guys know that this is my favorite spray. Oof, I just love my face looking like this right now. Like, I love it, I love it, I love it. So for highlighter, both Drugstore, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Low Highlighting Powder, and this is also the e.l.f. Glow Green Beam Highlighter, you guys. I honestly recommend the both of them. They're really, really pretty on the skin. Very cheap and good quality, I would say. Like, you can't go wrong with these. I actually like grabbed these Drugstore highlighters and the more expensive ones. If you're watching this video and you go grab one, let me know how it goes. Comment down below if you seen this video and got it because of me. But yeah, so let's see. But I don't know which one to go in with today. So we could probably just try to mix all three of these. It's hair time. Fix it up. This looks when I put this on. Oh, that's cute. Ah, so I see why people put this on their head tops. Come back and wet my hair, give my hair some wetness. That's a good thing. Okay, guys, so I just came back with my hair all wet. So now I'm gonna go in with my favorite. It's Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a pump of this. And they say you can put it in your hair while it's wet or dry. Do you guys see this hydration in the curls? Yes, you do. And I love using Aussie's shampoos, conditioners. Like, I have so much Aussie mousse. Like, I have Aussie everything, and it's so cheap and it's fun. Like, I got this from Walmart. Look at it. Look at my curls. And then I'm gonna put this on my head. I actually bought this from Urban Behavior at Von Mills. Just do the parting. Yeah, that looks so cute. I'm about to go out, honey. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video, this whole tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Love you all. Mwah.